Welcome to the Authentic Dads Podcast, here to help dads like you navigate complicated legal situations and ultimately spend more time with the ones you love most, your kids. For years, society has looked at dads as secondary caregivers, and resources for fathers fighting for equal custody rights have been scarce. Here, you'll be introduced to other men who've been down this path before and learn about the real solutions that led to real success stories. And while we help you navigate complicated legal vocabulary, we're also hoping to be a comforting resource, people to reassure you that everything is going to work out all right. Now, your hosts of the Authentic Dads Podcast, Junior and Art.
With the child support, was there ever a time where they messed up payments and sent more, sent less? I hear a lot of those stories that be happening. Anything like that happen to you?
Big bro,
it was always the same?
That shit was 2018. She took me off of child support like July 2019. I just got it off my credit report 2 weeks ago. Word. I was still got off. They had me in collections and child support. Because after she took me off in July 2019, they had that I was still supposed to be making payments.
Oh, man.
But the payments they had, yeah,
I never know that either.
Yeah, they took me to collection. So basically, whatever just they had in their system, it had that I was still supposed to be paying $50 a month. But I had to, my uncle Cam actually came with me.
Okay.
We had to go down on a Bowery Street in Brooklyn and file a paper. So I had to show them that they took me off of child support and they're still charging me. So we went down there.
They waived it nice and easy, or they still put you through the hassle and try to pressure?
Yeah, they waived everything nice and easy that day.
Nice.
But it was still hitting my credit report, some in New York State that I still owe payments. So they had me in collections saying I owe child support. Word from 2019.
That's tough.
That's crazy.
I had crashed my car. I got in an accident. It was last year. Now I went to go get a new car in October last year. Yeah, because my age and the type of car I was going to get and everything, they slayed me. And then I found out why they slayed me. It was because of my credit. But meanwhile, I'm looking on Credit Karma. My credit say I got a 680.
Yeah. But
they didn't want to give me the car because my age, and then on top of that, I got $6,000 in collections from child support.
Oh, that's crazy.
That I have the paper saying I'm not supposed to pay, but they still charging me for it.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
that's
so I had
messed
to
up.
go all the way back down there to Brooklyn, figure out what happened, took the train down there. I'm arguing with them. Then I had to sit here and I had to write a letter to New York State. So I did that probably like a month ago. I wrote a letter to New York State, certified mailed it up there. And next thing you know, I seen that it came off my credit report.
Yeah,
Nice.
Who suggested that you do that?
Well,
I never heard that. Like for you to sit down and write the letter. How'd you know about that?
Yeah, one of a good friend told me.
Okay.
She had put me on. She was helping me figure it out and get it done to send the letter up there. And she typed the letter up. She wrote it for me and everything. And
So you learn something.
Right off.
You learn something new every day. I never knew that.
This has been the Authentic Dads Podcast, helping dads navigate complicated legal jargon to spend more time with their kids. If you know someone who could benefit from today's content, please share this episode. Our goal is to help dads with reliable support from people who have overcome the court system. For more, reach out to Junior and Art directly at authenticdads@gmail.com to book a consultation. Get help finding solutions to family court, child support, relationship issues, and more. Spaces are limited, so reach out with your request today. They'd love to hear from you. And if you want more, subscribe to our Authentic Dads YouTube channel for even more resources to help you on your journey.